If you are confused choosing between CeraVe and Cetaphil, then this video is for you. CeraVe and Cetaphil are popular skincare brands with unique advantages. CeraVe focuses on ceramide-rich formulations to promote skin health and moisture retention. Cetaphil offers gentle, hypoallergenic solutions for various skin types. Both brands have effective cleansers. CeraVe's hydrating facial cleanser is for normal to dry skin, while Cetaphil's gentle skin cleanser is for normal to dry, sensitive skin. CeraVe's cleanser uses ceramides and hyaluronic acid, while Cetaphil's cleanser includes niacinamide and panthenol. CeraVe moisturizing cream has slow release technology and is ideal for dry and sensitive skin, while Cetaphil rich hydrating cream uses hyaluronic acid for full-day hydration and fights signs of sensitivity. Real user experiences show a preference for CeraVe's formulation and Cetaphil's simplicity for sensitive skin. The price point of CeraVe products tends to be slightly higher.